Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Another quote to help try and kickstart your day. And here are those words of wisdom. I love the way the earth rotates. It really makes my day. Have you ever just taken a step back or just a few moments to see and appreciate the things that are around you? Every day, the sun comes up. Regardless of how you feel, it will rise and it will shine. The world is an incredible place even before the tech even appeared. So go and enjoy it. Every day this earth continues to move no matter what any of us do, and sometimes you just need to appreciate what nature does without you even realising.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.